Walking the halls of the 2024 SEMA show down Hot Rod Alley, we had to stop by the McLeod clutch booth. Lots of really interesting stuff to to talk about, specifically for the Mustang owners. With me is Brian. Brian, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Hey, so what can you tell the Mustang owners out there?
Well, we've created what we call a Pro Pack, where it's going to be everything that you need to install a clutch and flywheel in your late model Mustang, anywhere from 1985 to 2017.
So that covers the famous 5-liter, that covers the Coyote, the Mod Motor, the 4.6?
Yep, covers all of them.
But, and so what are the advantages of having a Pro Pack like this?
Well, with the Pro Pack, we kind of take the guesswork out of it for the consumer. All the parts that you need to do the job are going to be included. Flywheel, pressure plate, disc, hydraulic bearing, an upgraded hydraulic line. We also have a pilot bushing and alignment tool, along with some ARP hardware to install it.
So really all a Mustang owner would need to know is the year and the engine they have.
Correct. So basically the year of the vehicle and the horsepower capability of the engine. We do have different levels of this, anywhere from 400 horsepower all the way up to 700 horsepower. So letting us know what year your vehicle is and how much power this assembly needs to hold will be all the information that we need from you.
Good stuff for the Mustang fans out there. You've got plans to introduce ones for other vehicles?
Yeah, so the Mustang platform is one of the most popular aftermarket platforms. After we get this off and rolling, then we'll look at the other GM and Mopar applications as well.
Right on. So if you've got a Mustang, need a clutch for it, make sure to stop by the McLeod clutch booth. Brian, thank you so much for having us.
All right, thank you so much.
Hey, SEMA 2024. We'll talk to you later.